start. My dear Madam Para, with reference to your letter of yesterday, I shall be pleased to call upon you and discuss the matter referred to. I think it best, however, for your information to set forth here a few facts about the society in order that you may be able to give careful consideration to the details before my visit. During the past few years, the building society has made great progress and the shares have shown a steady upward movement. I think you will be interested in the following extract from the director's report at the annual meeting held in March last. Para. As regards the success of the society, though it is certainly true that I have worked during the year to the best of my ability, it is also true that the whole of the staff have worked to the best of their ability, and the board of directors offer them their thanks for the manner in which it has been possible to pull together. The past year was in some respect a difficult one, and in the circumstances we are great gratified to say that our profit for the year under review, if greater that in any preceding year. This results has been achieved in spite of the depression in trade which was so general in the early part of the year. In the ordinary course of events, we should continue to make increased profits, and I see no reason why we should not present in even better balance sheet next year. It is certain that the activities of our building society, the spreading in all directions, and it can be regarded now as a worldwide movement. It is progressing by leaps and bounds not only in this country but in other countries also, which you know very well. Stop.